How to change your profile name on Facebook Lite. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. This video is going to be about how you can easily change your name on the Facebook Lite app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. First thing first, you're just going to open up your Facebook Lite and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. From here, you can just go ahead and tap on the settings icon. So go ahead and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and head over to your settings menu. Go to account center, and from here, if you tap on your profiles at the top, select your Facebook, and if you tap on names, you will have an option to change your name. So you can set your name and change it. And once you do that, you can review your change. But you have to note that you cannot change your name again for 60 days. So be very careful on what you set your name as. Facebook won't allow you to change it within the 60 days. So tap on review change. And once you do that, you should be able to save changes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.